How to make a sanitary pad pouch. You only need about 6 inch of each fabric. So 6 inch you will need 5 total squares. So you can see this is of 6 inch is the fabric which I am using for the back of my pouch. Now put the fabric face up on a work surface like this. This is the wrong side and this is the right side. So this is how you need to place your fabric. Take the other square and fold them in half. Now this is the right side and this is the wrong side. And finger press. Okay. Now add the rectangle to the bottom half of the base square with the open edge out and folded side in like this. Add another rectangle, okay, to the right side of the square and the same way fold side in like this. Another rectangle to the top fold side in like this. Your last rectangle the same way fold side in, but this time put the bottom of the rectangle under the first rectangle you placed like this, because you need to lift it up like this. Use your straight pin to keep everything in place. Start sewing in the top corner of the pouch. Sew a straight line leaving about 1/2 inch seam allowance. Turn the pouch right side out. Now add pad. And you are done.